Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with 30 weeks of a pocket letter, week 28. Almost done, guys. And so let's get started. I picked up these cute little images of these girls off an Etsy shop, and I thought it'd be cute on a pocket letter. So what I have going on here is different color papers I had. This one says Very Merry Noel. This one's Santa Claus, and this says Merry and Bright. So I have a poinsettia in the first pocket. Then I have this die cut on going across both. It says Merry Christmas. I have Christmas ornaments here and some gems, as well as here, and a Christmas ornament and some gems. And then in the center I have the little gal, and she's got a little poinsettia in her hair. She's got little butterfly wings in. She's got her up here where it's like paper, it says Christmas. She's got a song on her sleeves and music notes on her leggings, and then poinsettia. And then I put a little present in that she's holding. Down here it says Merry Christmas. A little Christmas tree and a candy cane and another poinsettia over here. And I just used this wallpaper washi tape going down the edge. But I'll put it down like this so you guys can kind of see it fully. And then on the back side, because you all well know if you've been watching these for the last 28 weeks, I do front and back. And as we turn it over, we have Santa's Little Helper. I got some of the same paper from the front. I added this paper. And we have Santa. We got a little candy, peppermint. It says Santa's Helper. We got a Rudolph. We got little gingerbread people. And we got another gal going down the center. Who's the Santa's Helper? She got her Christmas tree hat on. She got her butterfly wings. She got this cute little dress. And she got her little blue shoes on to match her hair. Up here it says Happy Holidays. We got some candy canes and a Christmas tree. Merry and Bright, candy canes and a Christmas tree right there. And that's what that one looks like. And this is week 28, guys. Not too many weeks left. So that's what this one looks like. I'll give you a slow. I can kind of see her up close. And then again on this one. What she looks like up close. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody. See you next week. Merry Christmas.